Ho, 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 ho!
It is December 12th, TGIF. The weekend is almost here. And let's see, we are heading into bag number 12. And yesterday, we built up this section surrounding the cockpit here. So let's get into bag number 12. All right, that is the end of bag number 12, and we have completed the cockpit area. We got the seats installed and all that good stuff, all the instrument panels and everything. So that will do it for bag 12. Join us tomorrow for bag 13.